Graph the system of linear inequality. So we have here three linear inequality: x minus y greater or equal to -2, x plus y less than 3, and x greater than -1. Let's graph the first inequality, x minus y greater or equal to -2. Now the boundary line, we need to write the boundary line. That's x minus y. We replace the inequality with the equal sign, x minus y equal to -2. You may, if you want to, write the boundary line in slope-intercept form, but you don't really need to. You can plot points easily. Like for instance, when y is 0, x is -2. So when y is 0, x is -2. And when x is 0, y is 2. The negative and the negative cancel. Y is 2. So these 2 points are on the boundary line here. If you want to choose x is -1, so that becomes y is 1. So you can see -1 minus 1, that's -2. So there you have the point right there. Now this is the first inequality. It's greater or equal, so then the line, the solid line, it's a solid line right here. So the line is included in the solution. So we need to draw a solid line. And then we have to use a test point to figure out where to shade, above or below the line. So using a test point that's not on the line, 0, 0 would be a good choice. So the test point 0, 0. So x is 0, y is 0. Plug them in the inequality. What do you get? You have 0 minus 0. Is 0 minus 0 greater or equal to -2? Is 0 greater or equal to -2? Yes, it is greater or equal to -2. So it is a true statement. That means the test point 0, 0 is included in the solution region. So that means this is in the solution region, which means we have to shade below the line. So here is the graph of the first inequality. Now let's do the second one. It's x plus y less than 3. The boundary line is x plus y equal to 3. Again, you may write the equation in slope-intercept form, but I don't think you need to, because when x is 0, y would be 3. So when x is 0, y is 3. So here is a point. This is 3. And when y is 0, x is 3. Okay. When x is 2, y is 1. You can see 2 plus 1 is 3. So here are the 3 points right there on the line. 0, 3, 3, 0, 2, 1. Now this is not a solid line. You have less than. So this is going to be a dashed line. This is a dashed line. Again, why we have a dashed line? Because we have x plus y less than 3, not x plus y less than or equal to -3. Sorry if it's not coming out to be straight here. Okay, so again, it's dashed, so be careful. Don't think about it as a solid line here. Okay, so this is the dashed line. Now we need to know what to shade. Do we shade above the dashed line or below the dashed line? So again, we can use that same test point, 0, 0 here. Again, we can use it because it's not included in the solution region. If we plug it in the inequality, we're going to get 0, because x is 0, plus y also 0. Is it less than 3? Yeah, it's true. 0 is less than 3, so this is also a true statement, which is, again, the test point 0, 0 is in the solution region. In the solution region for that, for this inequality, x plus y less than 3. So the graph is below that dashed line. So we graph two inequalities. Now we need to graph the last one. The last one is x greater than -1. The boundary line is x equal to -1. So you know that this is a vertical line. I don't have y because no matter what y is, x will always be -1. So for instance, when y is 0, x is -1, x is -1, x is -1. So all of this here, x is -1. So all these points are included in the graph of this the vertical line, and the vertical line is not included in the solution because it's greater than -1. So we're going to have a dashed line. So x greater than -1, anything to the right of -1 on the x-axis, or anything to the right of this, is a solution to x greater than -1. But if you're not sure, you can also use test point. So if you use 0, 0, it would be 0 greater than -1. Yeah, it's true. So then 0, 0 would be included in the solution region. So this goes on. So now you can see the solution of the system where the lines intersect. So you have the crisscross everything, right? So you have these slanted line here that look like that, and then you have the horizontal line from x greater than -1. So where is the solution? Oh, so it's this here, but we have to be careful. We cannot go to this side because it has to be below that line. So all the way up to here. So right here is a solution for the system.